Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to block adult content from your child phone in Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your Chrome. So I'm going to click on here, my Chrome right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for privacy and security right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you go to use secure DNS. Then first things first, make sure you turn on this. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on choose another provider. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on costume. Then make sure you choose clean browsing family filter. So click on that and you are done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to block adult content from your child phone in Chrome. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you